Papay.
Lo tengo serio, bro.
Sí, ¿todo bien?
¿Cuándo ves?
Sí, carro bien está allá.
¿Dónde?
Al lado de la
¿Está
comida.
con Baldo? Fuerte, con Baldi allá abajo.
No, yo estoy al lado de Rafi.
Ok, yo paso ahorita. What cards you have? What cards you have? Like,
I told him to get that. I said,
nah, man, this is it. That's the only my dad has something like that. He used to be hot back then. They're even hotter now, which is crazy.
I love this one.
I know
This. My color was like a gray that had a little pink. It was like a pink gray. Like I don't know if you ever remember.
that color super nice.
Right there. Dope. That's the one I had. You can do those three. This is crazy right here.
I know, I like this. Yeah, man.
Oh, got the carbon Kevlar.
Carbon Kevlar is nice.
That's clean. That's it right there.
It is. Yeah, it's crazy because you don't gotta do much to make a car look good.
Too.
I like this. Shit, those are the same wheels I was supposed to grab too. And somebody bought them before I did.
This is crazy.
The GMRs are nice. I mean, Word made the same set, but I'm not paying no $10,000 for wheels.
My Mustang rims. Those are ugly.
That's what I'm saying. Not because I had the sponsorship from AG and that that helped out by like 40%. But
AGs get up like 10 grand too, bro.
I know my price was $3,000 for a set, custom made. I'm like, told the guy no because at the time. I like that. I like that lineup. Yeah, especially that one right there. So I would have brought mine. I would have been lined up with them.
Yeah.
Okay, then. Almost like close out here.
I'm gonna shut off my lights soon.
Yeah, eventually. Yeah, right now I'm trying to record everything, so that's nice right there. That's color too.
That red one?
Yeah.
Is nice.
Yep, and I believe that's a factory red too. Was that a female? Yeah, I think it's a female car. Yeah, it has to be a female car. People sitting in the front seat. This is nice. Yeah, it's real nice. The only thing I'm missing is the OJ's Hustle license plate. The Grand Cherokee is nice too. Yeah, that Grand Cherokee is real nice. I like it. That Jeep is nice too.
Yeah, there it is. August 23rd, bring your Mustang home and we'll bring that to your house.
Oh yeah. She takes a look at that. She'll tell you to make room.
Exactly. Still got flies inside that. Yeah, grab that. Yeah. You gotta deal with that Mustang, black Mustang. That we're all doing over. Yeah.
Yeah, me neither. I mean, right now I kind of like them now because they're old.
I like that. It kind of looks like Pretty Racing Green, but it's a little brighter. That's almost the same color mansion. Almost the same color mansion.
Exactly.
Yeah. It has a lot more color on it.
Got the cold.
Yeah, I like it. It's not like that for your son. Silver, but with a lot of fucking throws out of it. So that he keeps it the same color. That's nice too.
My boy Sergeant car.
I like it. You got it for years too.
Huh?
You got it for years too.
Yeah, you did.
Porque nunca lo hemos comprendido. No entendemos que el amor es como un lago perdido que se va, que se va, que
Wow, nice competition out here.
Boy, right here, this is, I always love this.
Oh, yeah, I like that red. Yeah, that freaking red is amazing.
It's clean.
See, that's the same red that my room's supposed to be, but it came out
Yeah.
pink.
How to put gas, how to go get oil change, how to get filter.